Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move. We're joined once again by Bloomberg News equities reporter Avalon Purnell. We got to talk Nvidia for a second day, right?
Yes. It definitely weighed on the broader market today, closing down about 5.5%. And that's actually the worst decline in 10 months. And that's despite having a pretty flawless fourth quarter report.
I can't tell you how many times I heard on our air, radio, TV, across our platforms, great quarter.
What did Robert Schiffman say? This is a historic quarter. He doesn't know if there was a better outlook in the history of Wall Street.
Yeah. Bam. That was it. And yet,
are you not entertained?
Yeah. You know?
That's exactly what Morgan Stanley said, too. They actually had a note out saying that despite this being the largest, cleanest beat and raise in the history of semiconductors, they still have this big investor question about how much longer can this go? What is their durability going to look like?
Can I just say, there was either a line in Pretty Woman, this is like you guys go to Anchorman, I go to Pretty Woman. But I think it was like, maybe our standards are just too high. It does make you wonder. But nonetheless, we noticed it definitely pulled down the overall.
I was going to go to Shakespeare. Heavy is the head that wears the crown.
Okay.
But
Okay. Hair flip for those who are watching, listening on radio. Let's go to Caesars Entertainment, which was kind of something that happened late in the day.
Yes, Caesars Entertainment, ticker CZR, jumped 19% into the close. That's after the Financial Times reported that the casino company is actually potentially weighing takeover offers from a lot of different people, including Texas gaming and hospitality billionaire Tilman Fertitta, which, for those who aren't familiar with him, he actually owns the Houston Rockets and is actually the current U.S. ambassador to Italy.
Who knew? I did not know that. But he's definitely a known player in that space. They've also said about maybe even an executive or management-led buyout. But TBD, this is all from FT. Block.
Yes, definitely something that we're all going to be mulling deep into the night. It jumped 23% after
Tim is not going to get any sleep tonight because of Block.
Why?
Because of Block?
It'll keep me up at night?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm freaking out.
Yeah,
it's
but
fine.
Go ahead.
Yes. Mizuho analysts were out with a note today right after they announced that they were planning to reduce their workforce by more than 40% in a very big bet on AI. And I think they're asking the same question that at least I have in the back of my head, which is, does this workforce cut set a precedent for other areas of tech?
Yes,
we don't have an answer yet.
That is the question. I mean, this is like
unprecedented.
Yes, it probably.
But what if it doesn't work?
I don't know. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, this will be a grand experiment, perhaps. But I can't believe this is somebody who's tech savvy, right?
Jack Dorsey?
Yeah,
oh yeah, he
just a little bit.
Been an early adopter of technology,
right?
For his entire life.
Can we make the assumption he's not going to do it unless he thinks, okay, there's things in place?
He also makes big bets.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.